Okay, everybody, I'm gonna unveil one of my best looks ever. Okay, try not too hard to laugh too hard, but I have this on today because today I'm gonna demonstrate. Here we go. I dropped one. All about velour bands. Now I'm gonna do a series of videos on the differences, the lace inserts, the lace front, the lace center, with the silicone strips, without the silicone strips, with this elastic band in the back versus the Velcro in the back and this invisible string in the back. But for today, I'm going to demonstrate using this one. And we're just going to talk about how to put them on. Okay, now I've started a conversation in my Instagram posts about discomfort and bands and all of that, and I've found that there's so much. Everybody asks me for a video on how to put on their wigs, and I can't do one video. It has to be a series. So we're gonna start right here. Okay, we're gonna start by the silicone strip ones. Have the silicone strip is intended to be on top on most of them, but in general, velour bands have a right side and a wrong side to put them on. And I have a previous video that's 5 years old about how to put them on, how not to put them on. Okay, there are some companies that have little tags that are intended to be on the outside, on the right side of your head, on the inside, on the left side of your head. Some people will tell you, feel it, and when you feel the friction, that's the correct side. But wait, does it go this way or does it go that way? I don't know. Okay, so in my previous video, I explained that you're going to feel for every band has a side that slips and a side that grips. And if you're on the side that slips, then you'll flip it not front to back, but end over end, and then you'll be on the side that grips. So today, I'm using this one, which has a very distinct way to put it on. The silicone goes on top, and the lace goes across the front. I'm going to show you that I want you to put them on very, very carefully. There we go. All the way from the neck down. So we're going to take the glasses off. Make sure I'm covered and this is staying on. Now, again, we said that the lace, the silicone is going to go on the wig surface and the lace goes across your hairline. So what I want you to do is I want you to pull it up from the neck up, and you want to line up this insert with wherever your part is going to be. So let's say my part is going to be where my natural part is, so we're going to line it up there. And you're going to obviously, you're going to have to pause somewhere on your eyes or on your nose to clear your ears. And then you're going to pull it from this back edge, this leading back edge, and use it to clean up your hairline to effectively get all the teeny tiny little hairs along your hairline up and back. You want to go far enough back that the brown part of the band is not sitting on your skin, but not too far back because then it's going to pop up, which was explained in the previous video. Okay, now, once you've pulled this up, if you take your wig off and put your wig on and take your wig off and put your wig on, the band is going to loosen up. Also, if you pulled it too far back and you need it to be further forward, if you pull it forward and then back again, you loosened your grip on all these little hairs and you loosened all the little hairs. So if you have to pull it back forward, pull it all the way down and start again, because you loosened your grip on your hair. Okay, that was lesson number 1. I promise you there's a lot more to learn about why to use the different bands, but you see how I'm pulling this back edge only backwards, and you see I'm not gonna clear your ears, and you'll put your wig on. I'm not going to pull it back forward, because if I pull it back forward, it's going to release its grip on my hair. Lessons number 2, 3, 4, I don't know how many more are going to come, about the different types of bands, how to put your wig on top of this, and all the different elements of which one works for which situations and why. We have a video about how to put your hair. We're going to try to link all the different videos on YouTube, on Instagram, in stories. We're going to try to bring it all together for you, and stay tuned for the next one coming up soon.